a leading global CDMO, whose manufacturing programs rely on both its proprietary media formulation and Gibco catalog media, recently collaborated with Thermo Fisher Scientific. To strengthen supply resilience and mitigate potential tariff impacts, the customer needed to transfer several media product SKUs from the United States to Thermo Fisher's manufacturing site in Paisley, United Kingdom. Together with Thermo Fisher, a multi-site strategy was implemented to help ensure uninterrupted supply and global flexibility. The team successfully transferred the required SKUs to Paisley and provided supporting documentation, including validation packages for technical and regulatory assessments. Thermo Fisher also supplied 3 lots of Paisley-manufactured cGMP media, allowing the customer to complete comparability studies, including product and process validation, to qualify the site efficiently. The result was a stronger, more resilient supply network, with consistent product quality, enhanced supply continuity, and greater manufacturing flexibility worldwide. Learn how you can navigate complexity with confidence at thermofisher.com/media-manufacturing.